Now I would like to introduce to you Mr. Alessandro Mancini from Mancini Worldwide. He has recently joined us as a partner, AIPH, able to support expos in securing participants and other services, and I'd like to give him the opportunity now to speak to you all about Mancini. Thank you.
Hello, welcome to everybody. It was a real pleasure to be here with you today, and very compliments to each one of you for all the beautiful things that you've shown to us. I'm going to be brief because I know that we have a lunch, so I will try to speed up our presentation. About me, my company is more than 20 years involved in tourism flows, so we provide to let arrive tourists from all over the world. I was the general manager of Expo 2015, where I've been selling 22 million tickets all over the world and consuming 21,435,000 entrants certificated in Milano Expo 2015. We take care about the situation of the companies, as we are doing now with a group of associates in Expo 2020, where we provided 39 pavilions plus one pavilion done for Palazzo Italia. So 40 nations needed our help to be engaged in Expo to provide their shell and core decoration, inside stories and storytellings about their own pavilion. Our aim is to join each other. I do have a kind of problem here, so I will ask you if you can just move on there, because this one is not going. Okay, so these are the area where we work, and especially we are accredited to our government from the Ministry of the Foreign Affairs, and we can provide recently, thank you very much, and we can provide for you to have all the information that you may need from country to country, to how to participate and how to join, and what is the value to be joined in the future Expo, and how to participate in a better way. We do have on the other page that I ask you to move, we have the opportunity to show you our expertise that we have done throughout the years, and of course from Expo Milano we did have a chance to have a little step in Expo Italia 2016, Expo 2017 of course in Astana, and now we are already involved after this Expo 2020 in Osaka 2025, where we hope to draw a lot of the countries that we already sponsorized for Expo 2020 in there. The major difficulties, and I ask you to change the slide, is to be alone in this game. The proper team was to join together and create a society that is called Time to Expo, where we did have the possibility to join our own possibility and our own needed how to work with a delegation and with a country, giving them the solution of relationship in between the countries and the operator that are organizing the big event. Then we have the possibility to have architects for storytelling and for whatever is the interior design or the plan or the whatever you want to represent with your country, cooperating with the architects and the projects that are working for you as well. And then we have the societies such as Enoto and Tecnolegio that can make the management operation to create whatever is inside of the soul and the spirit of the event that you want to represent. That's why we decided to have a lowly one society called Time to Expo, that afterwards I will be pleased to introduce you in a better way afterwards during the lunch. We go on. And today we have here, for example, some installation of Tecnolegio. Today with us there is Mr. Bruno Casagrande that will be here with us during the lunch, and he can just delight you with all the works that are done all over the world, such as museums, such as green areas, such as more story malls and whatever. So whatever is in your mind to go on with this future Expo is really possible and reliable, with person that from the first step to the last step will guide you along your way. And these are some of other installations that we have done wherever in the world. And in this way, I can just stop on this one because today we are so lucky that the architect, Mr. Gatto, is here with us. Mr. Gatto is as well entitled to be the person that will guide the concept of Rome 2030 Expo, the major expo that we will have in 10 years. So the candidacy is in his hands, and I will give him the stage to give you full words about the society and what he can do.
Well, thank you very much to invite me. I'm an architect. I was the chief architect in the Expo 2015 in Milan, and I designed more than 40 pavilions here in Dubai. It's a long experience in the Expo, and I'm leading the bidding dossier of Rome Expo 2030. I'm here to say that we can help you in convey messages, in translate, in storytelling your content, your idea. We can help you also, we can help country, but we can also in the thematic approach, the organizer of Expo, to find the right way to convey messages. Sustainability, design, everything you need, it's possible to be translated, striking your visitors with the wonder. This is the real word that we want to use in terms of what we do, because the real engagement that you can give to your visitors, because Expo, it's more than other things, attract and engage and let entertain the visitors, because we all need to sell tickets to make a successful Expo, is to convey messages with wonder. We need to have a very strong storytelling, and we need to have also representation of this storytelling made by landscape, design, exhibition, showcase. So our job is to help you in translate your message, in make the participation of the country, make the Expo organizer able to translate the experience, the content, the values of every single Expo in something tangible, something that you can touch, something that is the real visitor experience of an Expo. So I'm here to say that with Time to Expo and with Alessandro Mancini, we can help you in doing it, having a big experience. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Matteo. And really, we just came to an end. What you can see here, a beautiful pavilion that of course you will be delighted to visit in these days. Some of you already visited. The one that you see, Pavilion Italia, was done by the architect Gatto that just spoke to us. And you will have occasion even to see the sister pavilions that in this case, the 39 pavilion that we took care have already the dignity of a self-built pavilion here in Dubai. I do remember perfectly that was not this the plan, but afterwards that myself and Mr. Gatto, 2 years ago we were here in Dubai, we were talking with the company of Expo 2020, they decided to listen to Mr. Gatto and they decided to create self-built pavilion even for the assisted countries. And it was really a great goal that everybody is going on to say that is a compliment to the society. We can go on here, and of course we are coming to an end of the presentation. And of course, what we can give to you is really the integration of participant engagement for the management, the visitor experience, the design and construction. Of course, we can make content creator, and as Mr. Gatto was telling you, simulating even a touristic and inbound float, because the expos that are successful are the expo full of people, because the message needs to be spread out. And with the beauty that you can do with this kind of expo, of course, there is as well a big legacy that can be prospect for the future years. So, we're just here. Our symbol, as you know, is a capybara. The capybara is one of the most friendly animal all over the world. Likely or unlikely, doesn't fear anyone. Sometimes it happens that he's gonna be hit, some other time he's not. But anyhow, let's feel like this and it's okay. So, thank you very much to everyone. We're at your disposal during the lunch for any kind of questions. So we don't have to do it here. We can be during the lunch. We can just talk on each other as we are here all together. Thank you very much, everybody, and thank you to you.